What if I told you that some of your favorite foods might be sabotaging your brain health right now? Harvard researchers have been studying diet and cognitive decline for decades, and what they've discovered will make you rethink your entire grocery list. These 7 brain-destroying foods are probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Stay with me. In just a minute, I'll reveal the single most dangerous food combination that accelerates brain aging by up to 400% according to researchers. It's something most people consume daily without realizing it. That microwavable meal might be convenient, but at what cost? Ultra-processed foods, those with ingredient lists longer than your shopping receipt, have been linked to accelerated cognitive decline. Studies showed that people who regularly consume these foods had a 28% faster rate of cognitive decline compared to those who ate the least. These foods create inflammation in your brain. Think of it like a constant low-grade fever in your head. This inflammation slowly damages brain cells and their connections. Your brain is mostly fat and incredibly sensitive to what you feed it. By consistently eating these ultra-processed foods, you are essentially feeding your brain a slow poison. But what might be even more dangerous is our next item, which often hides in plain sight. Sugar. It's everywhere. From obvious cookies to sneaky pasta sauces and salad dressings. A 2019 study in Alzheimer's and dementia found that people who consumed just 2 sugary drinks a day had lower brain volume and poorer memory than those who avoided them. Researchers found that fructose, common in processed foods, damages communication between brain cells. Imagine your brain cells are like friends trying to text each other, but sugar is like terrible cell service. The messages either don't send or get completely garbled. But if sugar is bad, what about those healthier alternatives? Plot twist. While you've been reaching for those diet options, you might have jumped from the frying pan into the fire. A study in the journal Stroke confirmed that people who drank artificially sweetened beverages daily were nearly 3 times more likely to develop dementia. These sweeteners might trick your taste buds, but not your brain. They alter gut bacteria, disrupting the gut-brain axis. Think of it as cutting the phone line between your gut and brain, leaving them unable to communicate properly. Both sugar and artificial sweeteners are terrible for your brain, just in different ways. Now let's talk about something that might be lurking in your lunch. White bread, pasta, rice. These refined carbs are metabolic dynamite for your brain. These foods are sugar in disguise. Your body breaks them down so quickly that they're basically mainlining glucose straight to your bloodstream. A recent study showed that high-carb diets nearly quadruple the risk of cognitive impairment. Dr. David Perlmutter calls Alzheimer a type 3 diabetes because of how closely it's linked to blood sugar problems. Think of your brain as a precision engine. Premium fuel like Whole Foods keeps it running smoothly, but low-grade fuel such as refined carbs gunks up the works and makes it sputter. Now for something marketed as heart-healthy that might actually be terrible for your brain: corn oil, soybean oil, and canola oil. These industrial seed oils are everywhere, from salad dressings to baked goods. A detailed study found that soybean oil led to genetic changes in the hypothalamus, a brain region that regulates metabolism and stress. These oils are packed with omega-6 fatty acids, which create inflammation throughout your body, including your brain. Remember, your brain is about 60% fat, so the fats you eat literally become your brain matter. Dr. Catherine Shanahan calls these oils the hateful eight and believes they drive modern cognitive decline. Now here's that dangerous combo I promised. High sugar foods with trans fats. Think fast food meals, packaged pastries, and fried snacks. A study discovered that this combination not only creates inflammation, but also damages the blood-brain barrier and reduces BDNF, the protein that helps your brain form new connections. This combo was shown to reduce cognitive performance by nearly 4 times compared to controlled diets. Imagine pouring syrup into your car's engine while simultaneously removing the oil filter. Total system breakdown. I know you may ask, what about that red wine study? Here's the truth. While small amounts might benefit heart health, brain research tells a different story. A massive study in over 36,000 people showed that even 1 drink per day was associated with reduced brain volume. There's no safe amount of alcohol for the brain. Alcohol crosses directly into your brain, impacting neurons immediately. But the most alarming part is that alcohol disrupts your glymphatic system, basically your brain's nighttime cleaning crew. Imagine your brain throws a wild party all day, making a mess. While you sleep, the cleanup crew sweeps out the trash. Alcohol makes these janitors work at half speed. And now for our final brain destroyer, possibly the most controversial in the list. Fish is supposed to be brain food, right? Not all seafood is created equal. Large predatory fish like shark, swordfish, king mackerel, and even tuna can contain high levels of mercury, a heavy metal toxic to your nervous system. A study linked high mercury exposure directly to decreased cognitive function. Mercury binds to proteins, disrupting cellular function and causing damage. The scariest part? Mercury accumulates over time, and it takes nearly 2 months just to clear half of a single exposure. So what can you eat? I've got good news. Protecting your brain doesn't mean giving up everything delicious. It's about making informed choices. Instead of ultra-processed foods, go for whole single-ingredient foods. Instead of added sugars, try fruit, small amounts of honey or maple syrup. Instead of refined carbs, opt for whole grains, sweet potatoes or legumes. Replace vegetable oils with olive oil, avocado oil or coconut oil. Cut back alcohol or try non-alcoholic alternatives. And instead of high mercury fish, choose wild salmon, sardines or trout. Your brain works 24/7, even when you sleep. It deserves premium fuel. If this video saved your brain cells today, smash that like button. It takes 1 second and helps others find this information. Not subscribed? Your brain is waiting for regular doses of health knowledge. Comment below with which food surprised you most, and I see you in my next video.